This is one hour. Menos.
1 hour behind?
Serenade.
What? Serenade. Yeah, serenade. I understand. But the time, like, oh, midnight? She's sleeping and then get up. Yeah.
Serenade.
Well,
No
Serenade. Yes, 12 a.m. Yes.
Non c'è? Serenade.
Serenade. Yeah. It's the same. I think English took that word. We borrowed that word. We didn't have a word, so we took it. Like with fiancé, we took that from French. We didn't have a word, so we just took it. The person I'm engaged to is very long. It's like the French say, oh, fiancé. Oh, really? Okay. My word now. Take this word. Okay. Any questions? New words? No? Okay, the next one.